Hi, in this video, we'll talk about set in Java collections. So set comes under here, under the collection. So set is the child interface of collection. If you go back, you see that this set is child of this collection interface. So it is used to represent a group of individual objects as a single entity, where you need to remember these 2 points. Duplicates are not allowed and insertion order is not preserved. Okay, so this is the difference between list and set. So in the list, we can insert duplicate values, and the insertion order is preserved, means in which order you store, it will be stored in the same order. But coming to the set, here set will not allow duplicate values and insertion order is not preserved. So the way how you stored or inserted the values, it will not be stored in the same order. Okay, so that is the difference between these two, and this is all about set. And a set doesn't have any new methods. So set doesn't have any methods by itself. So we need to use its parent interface methods. So those are collection interface. Whatever the methods inside the collection interface, it will use in set. Okay, what are the collection interface methods? So boolean add all, boolean remove all, boolean retain all, void clear. Okay, and boolean contains all, is empty, size, to array, iterator. So these are all the methods which are available in the collection. So set will use all these methods. Okay, so it doesn't have its own methods. So it will depend upon its parent interface called collection. Whatever methods available in the collection, we can use all these methods inside the set. Okay, so that is all about set. So what could be the possible interview questions here? So what is set in Java? So group of individual objects, and it will not allow any duplicate values, and the insertion order is not preserved. That is what we need to mention. What are all the methods defined in the set? So personally, set will not have any methods. So it will depend upon its parent interface called collection. So the methods which also we can explain those. Okay, so that's all in this video. Thank you.